So timeline, if it's Champaign-Urbana, Villa Grove, Longview, Mahomet, basically this general area within 20, 30 miles, we will get to that measure within 72 hours. The only time we can't get to that measure is weather. Or if personnel's sick or on vacation, but typically we have one to cover if somebody's not there. But like this last storm that came through that we had, it was about a week long. We really couldn't get out and do any measures that were roof required measures. Now, people needing an estimate for siding or for just in general want a new roof don't need us to inspect it. They already know it's 30 plus years old or 40 years old and they're just ready for a new roof. I can go measure that from the ground without ever getting on there and get exact measurements of that roof and still give an estimate out. So typically within 2 to 3 days, we'll have that thing measured out. As soon as it's measured out, it gets estimated that following day, and then the salesman has that estimate to get out to the customer. So typically under a week. I've had them go longer when it's real bad, it's raining or snowing out, where we really just can't even get to a house to do that stuff. That's based off of individual needs. I have some jobs that require attention today. So I had a roof that was leaking, active leak. It was an insurance claim, and it really needed to be replaced before the winter. So we prioritized that roof, even though it was sold after other roofs. Mainly because those other roofs were already set for later in the year because they're not dire. They're going to hold up through the winter. But that's only storm related. When we're not doing storm related and we're dealing with the standard customers, after about November, it's very, very few days to roof. So if you're ever going to try to get a roof, you really want to get it when it's warmer months. So from spring all the way till October's a good time. November you'd be flirting with different weather types. So GF, I'm very comfortable with putting down in cold temperatures, as long as we don't go below 40. 40 degrees, direct sunlight, 2 hours, they're going to seal.